bim bam.
Yeah, that's how you started.
It's like something on TikTok.
Oh, see, I wouldn't know.
Right? It's bim bam. Okay.
Yeah,
Just go ahead and start.
We're rolling.
Hey.
Yeah.
These two girls back with another short with your host, Candy.
And Cheyenne.
All right. What are we talking about today?
We are back with another green flags for our shorts. Yes.
Did you like our last green flag short?
Of course I like the last green flag short.
If you didn't watch it, go check it out. It's green flags on your first date.
Yes. So now we've gone on the first date and the green flags was just flagging.
Yes.
Okay.
Green flags flagging. Love it.
Right?
Wave green flag here.
So now you're dating. You know, maybe you're still casually dating or exclusively dating. Maybe you've taken it into a relationship. I don't know.
Whatever. That thing.
Yeah, that was the point. Well, maybe that was your goal when you got onto the dating app, right? Remember, we were setting goals and knowing why we're there. And now,
check out our dating app episode right here, link.
And now we're here.
We're here.
What are the green flags that you should look for in your dating and relationship phase? Right? So for me, one of them is respect of boundaries.
Respect of boundaries.
And you need to establish boundaries, and then that way they can be respected.
I like to sleep in the evenings. We are not going out on a date till after that.
Okay. All right.
It's a joke. But is it a joke?
Okay.
But I get it, right? Respecting boundaries.
Okay.
And can I add to that too?
Please.
They have their own boundaries.
Yes.
Right? They're not allowing people to just run amok, do whatever they want in their life. They have their own boundaries and they stick to it.
Okay. Good.
Love
so
a man with boundaries.
What do you have another one to go now into that?
Yeah.
Yes.
They don't speak negatively about their ex.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. And you know, we both know we got some trash exes sometimes.
We do.
But you don't have to speak about them in a negative way. You can tell the stories, and you know. So this is what happened.
He had a bad attitude. She had a bad attitude.
She cheated on me, and this is what she did. But the
constant, everyday negativity,
or the very like bashing talk. You can relay a story without being like mean. Or,
or even disrespectful. Right?
Yes, that's the one.
Are you calling her out her name?
Yeah.
Are you calling him out his name?
Right.
I don't like that.
Right.
So, yeah, I like that one.
For me, being clear with your intentions, right? So we went on the first date. You just want to casually date. I need to know that. I need to be able to make a decision for myself and know that, okay, I'm okay with casually dating. Or I'm not the only one you're dating. Let me know that. I like clear intentions, or, I actually want to get married at some point. So I'm dating you because I'm looking at you as a potential mate. Or no, I don't want to be married ever, but I enjoy your time and I want to spend my time with you. Intentions, let me know.
Yes.
Clear about it.
Clarity,
I'm good with that. Give me an opportunity to say yes, no, so we can be on the same page.
That's true. Yeah, I like that.
All right.
Another one I have, which I recently became my green flag, is being comfortable in silence. As Shy knows, sometimes I tend to, when it's silent, I tend to fill the silence sometimes.
She's one of those people on the elevator that has to say, oh, it's a nice day out, guys. Like, girl.
Oh, going all the way up, are we?
We don't know each other. We could just stand here and...
Yeah.
Okay. So you're changing or adjusting?
I'm adjusting, yeah. I'm comfortable with the silence. And being comfortable in the silence in a relationship, that we don't have to have something to say.
Yeah.
We can just sit here and enjoy each other's company in silence.
That is true. Yeah. I like that. Okay. Appreciating the little things. That is a green flag for me, where it doesn't have to be a big grand date. We don't have to spend a lot of money. It could be a night in that is
sleeping
thought
dates.
out or sleep what?
Sleeping dates.
Sleep. So
Like,
to take a nap together?
Yeah.
Wow, I've never heard of this.
I know I've reposted that before. Yeah, I think that's hey babe, let's take a nap together.
I've never. How do you get? Well, you have to meet somebody that likes to nap as much as you do.
No, but it's nap time. It's sleep time.
What if they don't have a nap time like you?
But what if they're going to sleep and
Sleep dates. Interested. Okay.
I know you guys have seen that on social media.
I'm not gonna yuck your yum. Okay,
It's fine.
No, I haven't. I never saw that before.
Okay.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, sleep dates. So this was about the little things. Yes.
The little things, yeah.
Right. You know,
you just wanna, like, cuddle and
you
go to
picked up
sleep.
my favorite candy bar from Walgreens while you were there. You know,
Right.
like little things.
Because I'm cramping, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What else do you have?
I have, so one of my here is that they can get along with my favorite people.
Okay. Yeah.
They can get along with the people I love the most.
Or
my
at least
friends,
try.
my family, or at least try. That's one of my green flags. And you know I've said this before. I want someone that can get along with my peoples. Yeah, green flag for me.
Yeah. Okay, one of mine is emotional intelligence. You know, we're all on
Ding, 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 ding.
We're progressing to understanding our mental health a little bit more. You know, and especially for me, for men, you know, you want a man to be able to say, hey, you know, this is how I'm feeling. Or, you know, I didn't like that, which, you know, just to be able to do and speak up about how you're feeling, and also at least be able to say, you know what, I need some time to think about how I'm feeling.
Right.
I don't really know what's going on, but I know I'm a little off right now.
Yeah.
That's,
and communicate it effectively too.
Yes.
Like, I'm not putting you to the side. I'm just in a mood right now. I don't want you to take it personal.
Yeah.
I just need some space. I just need some time.
Okay.
I'm going through it. So I think that's a good one, Shine. And even on top of that, emotional intelligence, but even just willing to even go to therapy if you need to, if you want to, like, you're not against it, right? But you can add it to your list if you feel that's something you want to do.
Right.
And self-aware, doing the inner work, just doing what you need to do to be better, be a better woman, be a better man, be better in this relationship, like you're putting in the work.
Yeah.
What's another green flag I have here? Buys you food.
Buys you food? That's what you have as a green
I do.
flag? Okay.
And you share it. Right?
Good for you.
You see, like, you know, we're going to be together this evening. You're going to go buy food and don't buy anything for me.
Okay. That's not okay.
It's not okay.
So yes. Okay.
Or like, you know, you go into the store to buy, like, you know, a suit that you know I like. Pick up one for me too. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
So,
one
you
for
have
me
anything else?
is can admit when they're wrong. Yeah. Because we're not, you know, we're humans.
Right.
We're gonna make mistakes.
We make mistakes.
I'm gonna talk to you with an attitude one time, and then I'm gonna realize that was terrible.
Say sorry.
I'm sorry. I should
Say
not
I'm
have
sorry.
said that. What I said was wrong and out of line, or I did this and I shouldn't have done that.
And I'm sorry.
My bad. You know, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. Or,
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then good conflict resolution skills, or at least, you know, being willing to work through conflict.
Yeah.
Because we're not all going to be good at the conflict resolutions, but you know that there's something that needs to be worked out. You're willing to do so.
And adding to that, a green flag for me is someone that doesn't, well, like we say in Jamaica, draw me out, right? Like, women, we have the tendency to have our voices like all the way up here, you know, the hand moving, the head twisting. Like, you know, someone that allows you to just speak softly, get you to express yourself in a calm way, and don't have you bouncing off the walls.
Right. That goes to one that I do have, that ties in having respectful disagreements. Because we're not going to agree on everything.
No, we're not.
We're not going to be the same person. And if you are dating yourself, then sometimes you don't like stuff that you do too, right? You're not always the greatest person in the world, unless you're a narcissist.
Right.
But, we're going to be different. So we can agree to disagree. Like, nope, I don't think that's how that goes, but okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What else?
Ask questions and speak up for themselves, right? Like, they want clarity on things, right? Candy, I understand that. Ask questions. How do you like this? How do you want this? What do you need right now? When you're, like we said, emotional intelligence, right? I'm in a place right now where I'm feeling depressed. What do you need during this space? Do you need me to leave you alone? Do you want me to, ask questions?
That's a good question to ask too, is what do you need
What
right
do
now?
you need? What do you need from me?
What do you need from me right now? What can I do?
What can I do? How can I support you with what you're going through right now?
Yeah.
I think those are good questions. And speak up for yourself. If there's something that your partner is doing in the relationship that you don't like, I don't like when you speak to me that way, right? I don't like when your voice gets all the way up there, like speak up for yourself.
I don't like when you take the cushion and you put it over here and you don't put it back over here. Because I like the cushion over here.
I don't like when you use my green cup and that's my green cup.
Right, and you don't wash it. So
and you don't wash it.
Do you want to get your own green cup?
Can I? Yeah.
All right. My last one is that they are reliable. Someone who does what they say they're going to do when they say they're going to do it. Obviously, things happen. That's different. You communicate. But when I can depend that when you say this is what it is, I know that this is what it is. I can rely on you. Yeah.
And I guess my last that I'll put is someone that has vision. Like, they know what they want and they're going to go after it.
That's a good one.
They have vision. They have a plan. And they're not going to, change that because of you. They're still sticking to the goals that they set out before they got with you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So,
okay.
Green flag.
I like those. So, what are your green flags?
And if you don't have any or had never thought about it, something to think about. I think that helps in even the dating process. So you know what you want, what you're not settling for. It helps. So start thinking on those things, men, women.
All right. Thank you for tuning in once again. We are These2Gurls on Instagram, These2Girls954 on TikTok. Follow us on Twitter. Like, subscribe.
Wait, pause. Like right now. The ding. And subscribe right now.
Can I unpause now?
I want to make sure that they did it. You did it? Okay, go ahead.
All right, thanks for listening. Bye.
Bye.